Hello everyone, my name is Natasha Muhammad Khadili and my metric number is AE1800029. So I'm going to show you how the Latch wheels are added in for test 2. So this is how the circuit simulation looks like. Two no gates with the input is connected to S and C. The output is then after connected correctly, we can run the program, which click here, which is start compilation, and I've already clicked the run button and just wait. And the simulation was in progress to simulate. So we will just wait until it finish. Then we click create new design file, University Program PWL. Click OK. Okay, so it's shown out like this, the blank space. So we need, what we have to do is we need to choose grid size, which is 1 microsecond. Click OK, and edit. Then set the end time 12 microsecond end time. Click OK. And then we edit, insert the node or bus, we click node finder, and choose the whole thing and click OK and OK. So we have this timing diagram for it, and SC, QB, okay. So the input is through here, S and C, the output is Q and QB. So the next step is we enter the timing diagram, which okay, so the SC here, 1, 2. We just bold the second part here to add timing, which is 1, like this, and this 1. Bold part that you want to add timing, like this. So the input timing diagram is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. The second input is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Let me show you how the result will look like. And we click the run functional simulation here. And yes, click yes. Perform 1 yes. And don't forget to add file to current project. Click here and save. Okay, so this is the result for Q and QB. The input is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. The output for QB is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0.